How to add motion blur in After Effects. Let's get into it. With your footage imported, come over to Effects and Presets and search for Pixel Motion Blur. Click and drag this effect onto your footage, and then in these settings, set the shutter control to manual. Shutter angle, let's start with 180, and shutter samples, let's set this to 8. The higher these figures, the more processing power it will take from your computer and the longer it can take to render or play back on your machine. So if we start by playing this through, there's a small amount of motion blur. Let's say if I set this to 500, let's go extreme. We can see the motion blur is increasing. The more you increase the shutter angle, the more intense the motion blur is going to be in your video. If I configure this off and on, we can see the difference that is making for our footage. I highly recommend that you play with the settings to get exactly what it is that you want for your video, as everybody's settings are going to be different, and that's all there is to it.